I wanted to make a video and send you a big hello and tell you that I miss you and that I'm proud of the work that you're doing, and save everything because when we get back together, that'll be important. Okay? People have figured out different ways to turn in assignments. Bailey puts her answers for math on a Google Doc and turns that into Google Classroom. Brilliant. Shaylin Abney has figured out how to use the CPM program to submit her math lessons. So you're all smarter than I am. The best part of my day is when you ask for help or resources. I love the messages. I love watching you say silly things to each other. Stay connected. Get on YouTube and watch how creative people are sharing their creativity there. D Nice did a 9-hour DJ dance party. 100,000 people looked at that and participated. Those things are amazing. And some of the, like Jimmy Fallon, The Late Show, he's doing it from his house, and he has these little girls crawling all over him, and it's better than the real one. And so staying at home, I think, for whatever reason, brings out people's creativity. Let that happen for you too. Let this be like a happy memory of your childhood, of this bizarre time where you were put in charge of your own education and you stayed home and made your own schedule and did as much as you could because you really value the opportunity to be educated. So I miss you a lot. And in between, when I'm putting things on Google Classroom or answering questions, it's a little bit boring, but my house is getting really clean. Harmony said we should talk about our favorite animals. And so my favorite wild animal is a sea turtle because they're peaceful, and hardly any of them make it to adulthood. Like, their life is super hard. But the ones that you see in the ocean are just so, they're just eating the lettuce and being happy. I got to swim with them in Hawaii one time, and then I went to Mexico, and they put the little tiny babies in a coconut shell and let you take it down to the beach and let them go. And so anyway, the favorite home animal is the dog over there sleeping by the fire, but she refuses to participate. So Luna's here having a nap, and I just make a video. Send me a video. I know it's easy for you. You get your phone out, you make a video, and then you send it to my email at mwillis@cesbulldog.com, and I'll be able to see your faces too. Do that for me, okay? And I'm going to be putting a poetry unit up. Springboard is my enemy. I don't love it. It won't work online. So we're going to do poetry and Shakespeare different ways. We're so lucky because we were almost finished with that whole curriculum, and we had the whole rest of the year to do Shakespeare and put together a program for open house. And so we may still be able to do that. Anyway, stay active, have a schedule, get up and do something nice for yourself every day, and make sure you eat healthy and don't snack between meals, and all those things that just make you feel better about being in a situation that you don't have a lot of control over. And I understand that, but take care of your head. Okay, listen to music, dance, learn a joke. My dad's doing magic tricks for my mother to keep her entertained. He's 89 years old, and he still knows how to entertain himself. Okay, so learn that young. And make me a video, send me a message, okay? And I love you, and I'll see you soon. And tell your parents thank you for being amazing and supportive, and I don't get grumpy with them. Oh my gosh, do you know this is a huge change for them too? So be pleasant. Talk to them. Tell them about what you're reading. Read 30 minutes every day. You have all the time in the world now to read. So, and watch videos that I put up on Google Classroom. Stay curious. I miss you. Goodbye. Send me a message. Bye.